In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a GoDaddy website page. If you want to reuse the layout and design of an existing page instead of building a new one from scratch, GoDaddy gives you a simple way to duplicate a page inside your website editor. This can save a lot of time, especially if you want multiple pages to have a similar structure, style, or content format. To begin, open your GoDaddy account and sign in. Once you're inside your account dashboard, look for your profile area and click on it. From there, go to My Products. This section shows the products and services connected to your account, including your websites. Now, find the specific website you want to work on. Make sure you select the correct one, especially if you manage more than one site. After choosing the website, click Edit Website. This will open the website editor, where you can manage your pages and make changes. Once you're inside the editor, click on Website to access your site's page settings and navigation options. At this stage, you'll be looking for the page that you want to copy. Take a moment to confirm you're selecting the right page, because the duplicate will be based on whatever page you choose here. Next, find the gear icon next to that page. The gear icon usually opens a menu with additional settings and page actions. Click on that icon and then choose Duplicate Page. As soon as you do that, GoDaddy will create a copy of the selected page. This is useful when you want to keep the same design elements, section layout, or overall structure while making edits to create a different version. After duplicating the page, you can rename it and update the content so it matches its new purpose. One helpful tip is to always review the duplicated page carefully. Even though the copy process is fast, you'll still want to check the text, images, buttons, and page title to make sure everything is accurate and relevant. This helps avoid publishing a page with repeated content by mistake. And that's it. To copy a GoDaddy website page, simply sign into your account, open your profile, go to My Products, select your website, click Edit Website, Open Website, click the gear icon next to the page you want, and choose Duplicate Page. Once the copy is created, you can customize it however you need.